So this demonstration is about how to generate the side slope from existing terrain. So first of all, we have existing terrain models here. So if you want to generate the slope for a specific elevation or by target to the terrain, you can go to the OpenRoads modelings and go to the modeling details. In the 3D tools, there are tools called Create 3D Slope by Elevation. So in this function, you will have a lot of options you can do to terrain model, elevation, horizontal distance, etc. In my case, I will go to the to elevation, and then I want to go to 110 meters, and then I don't know whether it's cut or fill, so I just can cut and fill and set the slope from start to start is a 1-to-1, and cut and end fill is a 1-to-1 either. The corner option is in the round. And then of course you can set the transition type constant. I will log to start and end and give a feature definition here. Afterward, I just click accept for the elevation and select the reference elements. Provide the 110s to confirm it, the cut and fill option, and then it's left or right. If you look at the top, where it will give you the slope is outside or inside for the boundary. So I just click accept it and accept start and end and click one more accept it to finish it. So after finish it, you will see there's you can say it is a bottom of the slope here. So this bottom of slope is not a terrain, it's just a break line or a boundary only. So in this case, I can easily using the tools in terrain called from create terrain from elements, select this this break line. So I will set this 3D line as a boundary, okay, and then you can set the maximum size look like, for example, I set is 20 meters, and I will use proposed boundary. So I select it, right click, accept it, maximum, click accept it. So after accepted, if you look at here, if you go back to the Explorer OpenRoads model, so you will see it is already becomes a terrain here. It's the terrain elements. It means that in the terrain element, you can able to do the contours or triangle here. So it is a terrain. But how can we add the boundary in the terrain as well? So in this case, because it's a terrain model, it cannot add to the existing terrain. So what we need to do, we can go to the boundary option here. That's called add boundary. So we can extract the boundary out, and then I just give a feature definition so that I can easily do it. So I locate a terrain here, extract boundary. So you will see there's another 3D line string here, which is a boundary here. So now it's easy because you already have a proposed slope here. So it is our terrain models already. So we can just simply select this view extractor boundary and then right click and then go to terrain and then add to terrain models. So I will add to the DB. DB is a proposed boundary. I get it. I will add it as a break line. I just click accept it, accept. So it will create it, extract. It will create it together to link together. So if you want to see the slope, just go to the Explorer, go to DB, it's a detail boundary, and then you can go to the triangles, turn on. So you will see it is a new slope to generate it. So if we turn on and go to the maximum contour, so you will also see the contours is a new one. The new contour generated here as well. So it is how to generate the slope from the existing terrain to the 110 here, and then generate the new terrain for it as well. So that's why now you have a DB is a new terrain. The old terrain is just the not featurized one here. Is how you